I welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Amal Joseph, and what we are going to be doing today is understanding WordPress. And I started a series on web development, that is website development, and I'm starting again now. I recorded a video some times ago explaining about cPanel, how you can set up your email account, how you can set up your autoresponder and everything. You can check the link in the description below, and I will put it. It should be somewhere around this video as well for you to go watch it first. Now, today we are going to be doing what we call understanding WordPress. Uh, the previous class that we had, at the previous video that I did, I talked about how you can access your cPanel by simply um, using your domain name, that is your domain name / your cPanel. But in this case, we are going to be doing your domain name / WP admin. So let's get started, and let me just explain and make you to understand the simple concept behind the dashboard of WordPress. So here, let me zoom in a little so we can see it. So here, the first tool right here is the WordPress tools. As you can see, WordPress org documentation. This is for WordPress. If you want to learn about WordPress, about their software and everything, you can just come to this. This is one thing. Uh, this is one tool of WordPress. These are the things that you will find on your WP admin. Once you log in into your back office, you are going to have access to all these things. I'm just going to explain to you some keywords from it, and you are going to get the rest by practice. So the next thing is this. This is used to visit your site. If you click on this one, and let's see, it shows you exactly what, as you can see, I haven't started doing anything yet on this. It showed me I installed Divi into it. Then look at it. It's ordinarily it's supposed to show blogging and all, but this is what it's gonna show because I've installed theme into it. So let's get back and let me show you. So another thing is comments. Yes, another key here is comment. Here you create posts. So basically those are just, let me zoom out a little so that we can see. So on the right side corner, you'll be able to see admin. You'll be able to edit your profile. You can log out if you want to. So that is just all about the top the top button right here. So let's get started. This is the home. This is your home right here. You can move it if you want. Move it anywhere that you want to move it. You can move it. You can decide to bring this one up and decide to put it anywhere and decide to move it anywhere. Just navigate, just move it anyhow you want it. So another one that we love to talk about is update. Whenever there's a new update that WordPress wants you to install, the essence of update is to help your site run very well. When your WordPress is updated, then your site is going to be beautiful. It's going to be outstanding. It's going to be the latest. That is the reason why you have to check this update regularly. So another thing is here is post. This you can add posts, you can add new posts, you can add category, you can add tags here. So this is media is where you store your videos, your videos, your audios, your pictures here. You can come to library, you can add new here. So basically that's just library. So pages, This is where you manage all your pages that you've created on your WP admin on your WordPress. So here you can just say all you want to see, all the pages that you've created, and you will say, oh, I want to add a new page to this. So basically that is just, this is used to create project or project admin categories, tags. That is just, then appearance is where we are going to be taking and we are going to be explaining a little more about this. So here our first button here is themes. What is themes? So basically themes is a group of files. It could be graphics, it could be code, it could be sheets. Themes control as vast as your site layout. So themes in WordPress is very powerful because it is the foundation for your complete website design. Yeah, it is the foundation. Without themes, you cannot do anything. You cannot do. Themes is so important. It is the foundation of for completion of website. You must have it first as the foundation where other things may taking place, other things may be added, and other things may be subtracted from it. So, what are the types of WordPress themes that we have? We have premium. Those are the ones that you go ahead and purchase. If you want a very lovely theme to use for your design, you can go ahead to Evanto. Evanto is the biggest theme market where you can go and purchase any theme that you can use, perfect themes. I talked about it in the last video. You can check it out. Then the other one here is free themes. Free themes are like WordPress themes. They are themes that come naturally with it. And the last one is custom. It's a customized theme. So basically that's just it. So let's just we have the type of we have 10. Let me just mention about 10 WordPress themes that we have. We have Astra, we have Divi, we have Ocean WP, we have Ultra, we have Spencer, we have Indigo, we have Parallax, we have Atmosphere Pro, we have Authority Pro, we have Explorer, we have Inspiro, we have Peak, and many more. So, and many more. So basically, that is just Teams. Teams is very powerful. You can as well go ahead and even do more research, but I've just told you what Teams is. So here, this is your Teams. Customize. You use the button customize to customize your themes or your website. So basically widget. So let's say the menus are used for, okay, let's click on it and let me show you so that you can get it and understand it better. So widgets basically is referred to elements that you can add to the sidebar of your themes. So basically that's just, there's nothing really we need to, as you can see, this is the menu, this is your menu here, this is your menu. Let's take a look at our widget. As I said, it is referred to the elements that you can add to the sidebar of your themes. So that is just it. Let it load so we can just see the way our widget looks like. So can you see it? This is the way your widget, this is, you can change your frontal, you can change frontal 1, frontal 2, add paragraphs, add gallery, add, it's just to add element basically. So another thing that we love to talk about is, let's see, so then let's talk about plugins. So what are plugins? Plugin basically they are like piece of software that contains a group of functions that is used and can be added to your website, to your website that you are designing. So it is easier for users to add features to their website with absolutely you don't have to have this knowledge of coding to be able to understand all these plugins that we have right here. So as you can see, these are little plugins. These are some plugins. This Akismet, anti-spam. This is classic editor. Hello Dolly. Many of them there. Many of them. If you want to install, these are already my install plugins. You can add new. You can use plugin editor. You can just navigate your way through the whole dashboard. It is your dashboard. Whenever you need anything, just come here and just search. For example, let's say we are searching for Tido chart. So we just search for it and okay, said there's nothing like Tido chart. So just search for it. Okay, let's just start for Yoast. So as you can see, this is the way you just click on install now and you activate it. So basically that is just there's nothing really much to say about that. So users are used to control the amount of people who can have access to your database. This is your database to your control panel for your website. So you can add new users, you can set the profile, the tools you can import, you can export, site health. These are just tools that you can use for okay. You can look at these settings, writing, general. These are used to they are used in the setting up of your website. As you can see, this is general. If I change, this is what will appear on my website, exactly like this. Let me see, exactly like server 145 dot web hosting.com. This is the way it's going to appear. So this thing that appeared here is what we are going to imagining we wrote something here like good website designing, good website designing right here, website designing right here, right here. This is exactly what is going to you're going to say good website is going to appear here, exactly here. So that's just you just use this tagline, just you just use this tagline to navigate through the whole settings. So basically you use the writing. Let's just check through and let's see. You can check on categorize, set standard, set galleries, check everything. Just this is nothing of a concern. You can just navigate your way through readings, discussion, media, links, privacy. Very simple. This is Divi. Divi is already an install plugin that I already added to the website, to my site, to my workspace. So as you can see, this is Divi. Let's take a look at Divi. So in the website that I'm going to be creating next, I'm going to be using Divi to explain to you guys. So this is the way Divi looks like. As you can see, this is exactly the way. If you want to import logo, upload logo, this is how you. I'm going to be showing you how you can use all this. all this in the next video that I'm going to do when I start the video fully explaining how you can create a standard website. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of this. I'm gonna be Trust me, are gonna have amazing time together. You are gonna learn a lot. You are gonna learn a lot from this platform that I'm sharing to you. So basically that is just all you need to. If you want to find any other, okay, let's see if we can actually add a new plugin. Okay, let me just mention some few plugins that we have. I already mentioned Akismet, we have Jetpack, we have Google Analytics, we have all-in-one plugin, we have Elementor, we have Contact Form, we have WooCommerce, we have different type of plugins, different type of plugins. So as you can see, this is Jetpack that I mentioned, Classic Widget. As you can see, health check. These are all plugins. These are all plugins that you can use. If you are looking for a plugin that you can use, just search for it or use the keyword. Just search for it. As you can see, these are the databases that you can use as well. So that is exactly, so there's nothing really serious about. Let's just check all pages and let me show you. So we are already on our page now. This is about page, blog page, contact page, home page, policy page. So if I want to start editing now, imagining I want to edit my home page, I just click on edit. So it will take me straight into my workspace where I'll be able to start editing my website straight up. As you can see, this is the way it's gonna be. So, and this is my URL. This is the URL of the website that I want to create. As you can see, it's going to bring out Divi and show you that this is Divi plugin. This is Divi themes that I'm using. I can enable Visual Builder. I can I can do a lot with this. I'm going to correct all this error and we are going to start the training fully. So thank you guys. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have gained anything, guys. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you listening to me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget, like and share to your friends, share to everybody, and let them to benefit from this knowledge that I'm pulling out, that I'm disseminating. Thank you so very much. Do have a wonderful day. Thank you.